Secure your Windows 10 PCs 1. Welcome to M365 Professional. The first thing you should do after setting up Microsoft 365 Business Premium is to secure your Windows 10 Pro computers. Let's do that now. From the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, choose Setup. Then under Secure your Windows 10 computers, select View. Before proceeding, review the information on this page to understand the policies and how they affect your users. Select Get Started. Review the options and adjust if needed. For most organizations, the default settings are recommended. Select Apply Settings. Microsoft 365 is now helping to protect your Windows 10 Pro computers. If you need to change or add any security policies, select Devices, then Policies. You can add or edit policies here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.